Okay, so once you're in Cricut Design Space, you're going to want to go to Upload. Then you're going to want to go to Upload Image, click Browse, and you're going to want to find my file that you saved. So go looking for it. I think I'm going to go with the boots. Click Open, and then for this you're going to want to select Complex. Hit Continue when you're done. Next, I like to preview the cut image just to make sure it looks okay. Continue. Next, you're going to select the print and cut image, and I like to add a tag. And then continue. And then you just do that for all your files that you want uploaded. And now you can select all the files that you want on your canvas. And it might take a minute. Okay, so once you have it on there, you're going to want to scale it to your desired size. I'm just winging it here. Then you're going to go to Make It. It's on one sheet, so that's good enough for me. Continue. Then you're going to want to send it to your printer and use System Dialog. When you click print, it should show up behind. Find that. You want to uncolor one copy for, that's what I want, medium quality. I'm doing specialty paper matte, and you want it at best, and then print. And then your printer will print it. Looks good. And then catch it if you can. Next, you're going to want to set your base material. I like to browse all materials. I'm going to look for plastic because that's what cuts best for sticker paper in my opinion. Once you find plastic, you're going to want to select transparency. So select that. Then click done. And now for pressure, I always do more. And then you're just going to load it onto a green mat and click go, and it's going to scan it. Once it's done scanning, it will begin cutting. And once it's done cutting, just click done, and you have some really cute stickers that are festival themed. If you guys like these, please check out my Etsy shop at Casey's Digital Creations. Thanks.